My name is Kalani Dillon. I work for Milpitas Fire Department. I'm a captain on an engine. I've been in the fire service for roughly 17 years now.
My name is Matt Allman. I work for Novato Fire, and I've been in the fire service for about 14 years now.
Gavin Greenslate. I work for the city of Milpitas, fire engineer. I've been there for 7 years, full-time for 15. The quality is probably the highest I've worked with. The actual size of the doors are realistic, not these half doors, not these things that fold and bend as you're striking them. They hold up to what we're trying to do and to achieve. Gives you an actual practical feeling.
The doors themselves are phenomenal. Offers the resistance, the different types of door pinning, the different types of doors themselves, all in one package.
It just works. It's one of the better products or best product that I've used.
Having doors or breaching through these doors, it's a great opportunity to set yourself up for success, let alone your members in your department for success.